This is my first video documenting my bus converting to EV. There's the bus. It's kind of a mess. There's the transmission. So this is the motor. It's the Hyper 9 144 volt, and I just put the adapter plate and the coupler on there. The coupler is an interference with a keyhole, and that was troublesome getting it on because I don't know what the hell I'm doing. So I got a hot plate, and that didn't get hot enough, and so then I had to get a torch, and then I used my infrared thermometer until it was over 600 degrees, and then the thing just dropped on there easy as can be. And hopefully I got the spacer correct, and this is the way it's supposed to be. I don't know what to do if it's not right, because that thing is going to be hard to get off. Anyway, so the next step is the pressure plate, or the flywheel, and the clutch, which all came from EV West and Kennedy Engineering. And there's very little instructions, and for some reason they won't answer their emails, and I've called them, and I was supposed to get a call back, and they never did. I don't know what half the stuff is. I got a needle bearing in here, which I think goes on the input shaft, but I don't know, not for sure. And so I'm just kind of winging it. Anyway, I will continue my videos in the future.